Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. This is updates, and usually it's weekend updates, but this week it happens to be Monday updates. I had the entire week off. That seemed like an eternity, that I would get so much done and be so caught up. I'm going to show you what my craft room looks like. Those of you who can't handle messes, maybe you should not watch the very end of the video. You know, things didn't get done like I planned, but that's okay. I have videos loaded for you. I have other things pending, and sometimes we just have to roll with it, right? Be grateful for what's going on in our lives. You know, I try and keep things positive, and we get edited on YouTube if we talk about things that, you know, are controversial. But let me just say, let's make a lot of things with yellow and blue these days, okay? That's just one of the things we can do. So let's do it. So I am doing that. I'll show you something later in the week on that. I have Happy Mail from Mary. You may have heard me talk about Mary before. She lives in the same town sort of as me, but we haven't actually met. Look at this cool envelope. Looks like she stenciled on it, and she keeps me guessing. It's a little bit metallic. I don't know if you can tell, so I'm thinking it's some kind of paint. And she does a really cool job with her envelopes. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can never remember what these are called, but I bought some, but I don't have all these kind of colors. Thank you, Mary. Oh, look at this. Escape the ordinary. Look at the colors on her zebra. So it's a fence, a mixed media fence here, and then grass and trees and a background. It's what, 5 or 6 layers? Super cool. Oh my gosh. Take a walk on the wild side. Look at this. She's got all sorts of fun things in here. Oh, I bet she made it with scraps. Those are cute. Look at these. This is a happy birthday die cut, and I struggle with fiddly dies and birthday cards. So I'm going to put these right in a pile I have started over here. I'm thinking about something. I'll tell you about that too. Oh, those are cute, Mary. And then look at all these. Oh my gosh. So she must have made me extras. She's used packaging to make these sturdy. So something that might be trash to other people. And then she's colored and put her die cuts on the front of them. Oh my gosh. That is super fun. I love it, Mary. Really fun. She usually writes me notes, so maybe she has one in here. Oh, look. It's the, oh my gosh, the stamps and dies. Wow. I bet I can get Noni to color them for me. What do you think? Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look at this elephant with the little bird. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Mary, she didn't write me a note. She just sent me really fun stuff. Maybe she just decided I needed it. These will be great for journal cards to put into journals. Living life one day at a time. Favorites. A blank one. Some other blank ones. I just never have enough to just write on. You know, some stuff you have in the paper on the back is too busy. But like even that, you can just write on the back of it. Really cool. Love them, Mary. Okay, so that is the Happy Mail for this week. Oh my gosh, your card is so cool. I love it. Escape the ordinary. Put it right here. Okay, these look super fun. I need to think of a project for these, don't I? Thank you so much, Mary. This is really cute too. So yeah, we haven't hung out yet, Mary and I, but at some point I think we will when she's feeling good, and we just now started taking masks off, so we'll see how that goes. Noni went to the Hobby Lobby, everything's on sale, and picked me up a new Ranger Cobalt ink pad. I have one that she picked up somewhere along the way at a sale, and I have a tiny, but I just wanted a regular size one that was newer and juicier because I have trouble with my big one, so I think that'll solve it. And while she was there, she picked up this die. Let's open this up. Happy birthday and stars. I mean, it was meant to be. Oh, I haven't paid my tab. I don't think I've paid my tab. Okay. Look at this. Okay, maybe you just need to see the picture. Just look at the little picture. There you go. Happy birthday and stars. And I'm thinking it's a pretty good size to put on the front of a card and, you know, still have room for your patterned paper to show. Or it would be really cute with mirror paper over a patterned paper, kind of make it pop. And it doesn't look too fiddly. Maybe I will experiment with these while I'm watching TV. It is too big to use with a sidekick, so I'll definitely have to use the big shot with it, but I think it'll be fun. So maybe I'll cut some of those out this week. You know, use those evenings or mornings before work. Those of us who aren't retired, you know, when the weather gets better. My darling friend Noni likes to sit on her porch and wave to me when I go to work. That's just sassy. Let's test this out so I can see, because maybe mine isn't old. Maybe I just have unreasonable expectations. This is slick, so it's never really good to try on. Here we go. Let's try on this. Yeah, mine is old. It's dry. So a refill would have been another idea. I assume they have refills for archivals, but I think $1.74 is pretty good. Pretty good deal, right? This week, videos that are coming. I made a shop with me video that I think is about a half hour long. It's going to come out on Wednesday. You're going to want a cup of coffee or tea and your feet up, and you're going to want to watch that. And if you live in Oregon, you've got to figure out how to go there. So Wednesday is a shop with me video in a store that I don't think I've ever done this in before. I've told you about the store, but I haven't done this kind of video for you. And the Vancouver people, you're going to have to get in the car because you don't know what you're missing, and you're going to see it now. Basic Gray is coming out on Friday, and I'll give you a hint. This is not the most attractive piece of paper out of the collection. That's why it's still sitting here. But I am working with this collection, the acid washed collection. It's really fun, has a lot of blue and yellow, has some touches of orange and gray. I think that's just going to be something completely different than I've made before. So that should be fun. The other thing that I have going, let me show you. You're not going to believe it. My friend said to me, hey, do you want some paper? And I said, sure. Look at the size of this tub. I'll give you scale with Wilson. Okay, so the size of that tub, it was full to the brim. And then there were 2 iris cases and a cardboard box. All of this stuff that you see right here is stuff from my friend that I am absolutely keeping. And then that's butterfly journal stuff. I started laying it out. And I've been going through, and I've been sharing some on Facebook. One lady was like, does anybody have Creative Memories sheet covers for pages? And I was like, I do, and I won't use them. And then this is more stuff that I'm keeping. And these 2 items are actually from Noni, but this is more stuff from my friend that I'm keeping. So I have to get it integrated. And then because we're doing construction, I have Wilson's crate set up, which is kind of a lot in my room right now. And then that stuff is butterfly journal also. This tripod is set up because I filmed. When I went through that bin, I filmed it and made you a video. So that comes out, but not this week. I think probably next week. And then just messes. Just a lot of messes going on. So this is the end of my vacation. My craft room is a hot mess. But we had fun, didn't we, Wilson? Did we have fun? Yeah. He's tired. I thought by now I would have really exciting pictures for you from the backyard. We hit a snag in the backyard project, so it'll be a little while. I will keep you posted. That fits in with crafting and relaxing for me because I like to garden. I like to sit on my covered deck and do crafts or puzzles, drink coffee, plan my projects. I've been known to sit out there and die cut for hours and hours. And normally I have lights out there, but right now I don't have any lights and I don't have a cover. So not an improvement. We'll see. The butterfly journal, I I wanted to get those started, but what I decided to do was get Basic Gray out of the way, because that bringing back Basic Gray, that video comes out on Friday. So I need to get that out of the way, then kind of do a tidy up and work on the butterfly journals. But I think I'm ready. I haven't started the covers, and that's usually where I like to start, because then I can have a theme or a color palette for each one. And it also sort of depends on what's going on with construction, because the one day that I did have people on site here, I realized I had to turn down the lights, I had to turn up the music, I had to kind of change the environment for Wilson. And so I was pretty much crafting in the dark. It's not ideal, but we'll see. The other thing I wanted to tell you for Smash That Small Paper Pad, the votes came out to favor the floral, if I remember right. But a lot of you had a great idea and said, you don't have that much left of the birthday paper. Get it done. And the floral is too much like what you just did. So mix it up, get the birthday one done, and then do the floral. So I think what I'm going to try and do after she tells you she's going to start the butterfly journals is knock out the birthday and start or smash, I'm not sure yet, the floral this month. These are items that I have started setting aside for birthday. I have this cute set of birthday stamps, this dog set that you should have seen in Joya Blue. I think you did see that by now. It has one that says woofing you a happy birthday. So I thought I would use some of the dogs and make some birthday cards too. Then I have Mary's new happy birthday die cuts here. And then I just picked up a happy birthday die that you'll see later in the week. So I could use that one too. That's what I have going on as far as smash those small paper pads. That's my plan for that one. And then we'll do floral too. And I don't know if I'm going to use this stuff with my butterfly journal, but I had it out just in case. But look at this. I mean, it could be like a journal or two all by itself. I'm going to show you this scary counter. And then that is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Monday and have a great week. I'll be back again soon. Bye-bye.